Morning, YouTube. Look at that, eh? It'll be about 85 again today with high humidity. Almost looks like rain, but no forecasted. Well, this dent's getting smaller. Viewer request. I think everybody wanted to know what the hell this stupid thing was, or is. And it's gonna be a was. I didn't know it had the books with it. That's what it is. It's an air purifier. I plugged it in, it doesn't do anything, so she's getting disassembled. That's why the cord's been cut off. Because I have to get this guy filled with all this crap. Yeah, I started throwing random stuff in here. No, I don't have that thing that Scrapping Pallet Man has. Just snap your finger. So, but anyways, yeah, everything. Whew. I'm debating about those two snow blowers. I've had them for a while now. But we're gonna get this thing ripped apart. So I'll be right back. I don't know exactly what makes it so heavy. This is the diagram of it. Oh well, you can see that. The motor's at the top, according to this thing. I'm guessing that filter there is what I'm after. That might be those aluminum ones that I find in, well, I get them. Sometimes furnaces have those. I've been finding them scrapping, so. Like I said, I've never had one of these before. We're gonna find out. A little higher speed. Yeah, I didn't pay attention to this book bag here. Oh, it's even got a remote. Maybe that's why it didn't work. Cool. Well, it wouldn't do anything. I plugged it in and we played with all the buttons on top. It wouldn't do a darn thing, so I don't think the remote was going to do anything else. But that's kind of a cool little remote. Takes one of them little flat pack batteries. Now, but it is heavy. Let go. Oh. Okay. That's where that big filter is. There it is right there. I really don't see why this thing didn't work. Charcoal filter by the looks of it. Yes? Yep. Listen. It does stink. It smells like a smoker's house. Yeah. Stinky little bugger. Because of that thing. There. Several filters in this. There's another one. Oh, that one really stinks. Says it's the top. Doesn't matter. There's a quartz light in here. I don't know if you can see in there or not. closer. Now you can see in there. There's another. It's a honeycomb filter. Just unplugged. Yeah, the whole thing came apart. It could be just that bulb. Could be. It is burned out. I'm thinking. There's no wire going across. Could be just that bulb burned out, right? Huh. Is that steel? It's aluminum. Cool. That's garbage. This little piece of extruded aluminum. It's very shiny in here. It is magnetic. Nothing exciting. The whole thing's steel. We need to get at the blower. There's the screws that I guess it's trying to get apart. Like I said, I've never had the privilege of one of these before. That's heavy steel. I'm not going to put it back together, so. Alrighty. More screws. Woo. Oh, that's a good size blower. Explains why it was so heavy. Everything's in that. I'm going to cut you right up your plug. And you, well, timber. You right at your plug. This is the control panel. Whatever this was for, someone stuck something in there. I did not put that in there. That's a little weird. Maybe the thing vibrated and that was the quick fix. That's garbage. Stripped. Take it all apart. There's a wee little bit of circuitry. The screws holding these guys in. Blue box you go. Well, there ain't a whole lot for circuitry. Just the whole idea was to turn it off and on, speed timer. That's a cute little remote. I don't think it's good for anything else. I'm pretty sure this thing must have opened up. Why aren't you coming off? I undid your screw. Government spying on us again. Alrighty. Plastic. That's usually aluminum, that little piece. They pop right out. Just in case you're wondering. Don't know. It's tied in a knot on this side. Whatever it was. Maybe the wire for the remote control. Could be, huh? You'll go the other way. Guessing that's what that was. Can't read it. Can you see that little guy at all? I don't know if I can bring it in close enough. I'm thinking that was the remote receiver for the remote. I thought. Didn't say I was right. Not a whole lot of wire out of you. Very tiny stuff. That's it. Other than that, well, there's a little bit in there yet I gotta go after. So we have that nice piece of extruded. Called a cabinet light. Made in China. Of course it is. What the hell isn't made in China? Everybody is so damn cheap. Oh, let's buy everything cheap. Why pay an arm and a leg for it? Because it's a better product when you pay an arm and a leg for it. That's my version. I'd rather buy North American than anywhere else. But my government would rather mess me around, so. nothing against the rest of the world. It's just I think we should buy our own shit, make our own shit. You know? We have the resources. There we go. Are we copper? Let's find out. We're worth a while. Yes, we are. That's copper. Good. At least got something good out of this. Gotta get him out. It's not gonna come out like that. Very easy. I can hold it. Come here. I usually do this in the vise. Boom. Take that thing off. We got a copper motor. That's the good part about this whole thing. A lot of plastic. See, that's what was in there, in between. Medical ready. That's all plastic. That's plastic. Doesn't want to come out. We'll get you. You like them apples. Alrighty. So there you have it. Not much in there. Steel shred. Steel shred. In the bin it goes, see that? Who needs 5-gallon pails when you got that thing, right? Are you steel? Yep, you are. That's a nice little piece of screen. Keep the bugs out. I have holes that could use that. Vent holes. We have copper motor, we have this, irony aluminum, extruded aluminum, little circuitry. We can get those out, doesn't take much. A little bit of hydro in here yet. Cut the ends off. Okay, we got hydro this side. Oh, that's you. It comes down to that plug. Pull you through there. Oh yeah. Well, you don't go to that one. You go all the way to that. I have to finish tearing it. More hiding spots. Very shiny. But it, oh, that is not. Plug off. Just plug in. I'm thinking this is stainless. Stick to the magnet. Okay. So I have more cleaning to do. There we go. Hydro running there, hydro running there. How do we get underneath this thing? Maybe these guys. Need a smaller bit. Negative. What the hell? Who's holding you in? There you go. Have to disconnect you at the base. I don't imagine this thing was cheap. The battery's dying. You can tell by the speed it sounds. Oh, I did get used all day yesterday. There we go. I knew there had to be more circuitry. I need another battery. Ooh, I'm holding you hostage for quite a while already. That's got a nice big panel. Nice big, where are you? Nice big heat shrink. Electric motor. I don't know what that is. High voltage generator. That's what that is. Right there. Get a little more wire out of here. Whatever this thing. Quality control pass, whatever it is. It's some. Oh, it's a switch. Hope you don't mind looking at my head. Flies bugging around me. Okay. That was the one I tried to pull off. More plastic. Doesn't matter how many times you cut the wire, it's all wire. Ground wires, power wires, this wire, that wire. Oh, cuts are wrong. Wow, was it worth it? Stripping this thing? Well, we know what it is now. And future reference, just take the bottom off. That's where everything is. That's important, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. A couple more heat sinks. I got some stripping on those to do. Got a nice little transformer here. It's all copper, you can see it. Peel his body open. That's how I do it. You got the main part. Just unwinds, see? And you're just left with that. If you look inside, you can see the copper, right? I see copper in there. Oh yeah. So 2 copper considered motors, right? Yeah, we just need a little bit of hydro cord ripped out of there, and there it is. We're done. I'm not going after those, they're riveted on there. I don't think they'll come off very easy. Are they even anything? Yeah, they're stainless steel. The thing is, these rivets will be attracted. I guess I can rip them off. But there you have it. This guy here, it's all aluminum. Just have to take all the bolts out. Comes right apart. Pop a couple rivets. Take these there's little wires here. You can't see them on the camera, but see, I got them on my finger. You can hear it. It's like piano wire. You gotta be so careful with that stuff because it cuts you. It's like fishing line, but thinner. It'll cut your finger just as sure as poop. So there you have it, air purifier. Ooh, that took a while, didn't it? So I hope you enjoyed it. I've never done one before. I don't think I'm going to bother again. I know how to get that out. And just take the bottom off and then the rest can be thrown in there. Like, subscribe, and share or not. Have a nice day. I'll give you an update when I got the bin loaded. Oh, we got a long day today.